Holiday events really fall into one of two categories. The first is the full on go all out, say for charity events or the ballet, holiday plays. Depending upon your company, maybe the company Christmas party. The second are those last minute pop up invitations. This is going to be the eighth holiday season I've helped clients shop for everything from big events to winter vacations. And without a doubt, the full on go all out events are way easier. First, because they're on our calendar so many weeks in advance, so we have time to wrap our head around what we're going to wear. We also go into it knowing that we'll likely want a whole new outfit from underpinnings to accessories. Those last minute, more casual gatherings can be far more difficult because we want to look and feel festive without head to toe sequins and glitter. This really is the very best time of the year, so let's not spend one moment of it being stressed out. Well, at least not stressed out about what to wear. So, in this episode, we're going to talk about the 5 simple and easy festive pieces you can add to your closet if you don't already own them, so that you can confidently say yes to every invitation that comes your way this month. And at the end, you'll know precisely what to shop for, which pieces you already own that can be mixed and matched to create the perfect for you holiday outfit. I'm Angela, your Petite Style Coach, and when you're ready, let's dive in. Welcome to Inside Petite Style, the only podcast created exclusively for women 5'3" and under. You've built an incredible career. You've navigated all the crazy life changes. And somewhere along the way, getting dressed stopped being easy. Maybe your body's different or your role is different. And your closet, it just has not kept up. I'm Angela Foster, Petite Style Coach since 2018 and creator of the Spark Petite Style Method. And together, you and I will get your wardrobe back in shape. Every week, we'll talk about why petite proportions require a different approach. Discover what actually flatters your body shape and works with your lifestyle. And get all the insider shortcuts on where to shop so you're not wasting hours scrolling or even worse, settling for good enough. This is about more than looking good. It's about walking into any room, whether it's a big presentation or client meeting, a family event, or heck, just Tuesday, and feeling confident, polished, with a style as smart and savvy as you are. Let's get this style party started. So you know exactly what to expect over the next 10 minutes or so, we're going to talk about the 5 wardrobe additions that will help you skate through this season with ease, the best outfit formulas for each body shape, and be sure to stick around until the end where we talk about the absolute must-have accessory of the season that will transform any top from everyday to sparkly perfection. One caveat before we jump in, and that is when you find something that you like, order it right away. Who knows why, but this season, more than ever before, which is saying quite a bit, sizes and styles are disappearing fast. Speaking of shopping, there is a companion lookbook that goes along with this episode. I'll be sure to add the link to the episode description so you can locate it easily. In case this is the first time you're checking out one of my lookbooks, they are shoppable. So all you have to do is tap on the image and it'll take you directly to that page. Talk about easy, right? Festive trend number 1, plaid. We have the resurgence of the Ralph Lauren Christmas trend to thank for the return of traditional plaid. A plaid skirt is always terrific and especially brilliant for women who have a more classic or timeless personal style, especially on body shape number 4s because it adds that illusion of volume from the waist down that we're shooting for. Speaking of body shape, in case you're new here, first of all, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome to the Petite Revolution. I'm so happy that you joined us. And as soon as this episode wraps, you'll want to take the Petite Body Shape Quiz. Now, for petites especially, it's critical to know the styles and the silhouettes that flatter your shape best because we have less vertical real estate and the choices that would just be questionable on a taller woman make us oftentimes look shorter and wider. When it comes to the perfect holiday outfit, it's even more important to know your body's best styles and the ones to stay away from because everybody is taking big pictures and videos and posting them for the entire world to see. And we definitely don't want our ex-boyfriend or ex-husbands, or worse yet, their new wives, to see us looking anything less than fantastic and ecstatically happy. The quiz is super fast. It's 7 or so questions and takes about 2 minutes. The quiz lives full time at InsidePetiteStyle.com. And I'll add the link to the episode description so you don't have to hunt it down. Back to plaid. For women who love plaid, there's no reason to limit yourself, though, to just skirts. The lookbook includes a Ralph Lauren plaid dress that is fantastic because there's about 1,000 different ways that you could style it. You can literally wear this dress over and over this season and never look the same twice. The piece I'm most excited about, though, is the plaid peplum top. Yes, it'll be incredibly flattering on signature shape number 6s and anyone who prefers to camouflage a pesky stomach area. Festive trend number 2 are sweaters with sparkles. It has been so much fun shopping for these this season because there is every level of sparkle available, from a subtle tinsel knit to, wow, I need my sunglasses, and everything in between. There is literally something for everyone. The same goes with the lookbook. There's all varying degrees of sparkle. As far as outfit formulas go, signature body shape number 4s will want to look for something that's thinner and lighter, or a more tailored top, and then pair it with a pair of wide leg pants or maybe a fuller or pleated skirt. For signature shape number 6s, have fun playing around with thicker, chunkier knits and tops with more detail, especially when paired with a tailored pant or column skirt. Festive trend number 3 are bows. If you love a good bow, then you're going to have so much fun with the new fresh styles this season. There's everything from one subtle bow to hundreds of bows scattered everywhere. One of my personal favorites are the tops that have one stylized bow that is so oversized, it takes a moment for you to even realize what it is. How amazing will that look with a pair of dramatic wide leg pants and pair of sparkly heels? Talk about festive. Festive trend, I think we're up to number 4 now, and that is a leather or sequin or metallic skirt. I'm a firm believer that every woman should have one of these in her closet regardless. But if you don't, and now is the time to add one, this is the perfect season because there is such a wide variety of lengths and shapes and colors. So no matter which body shape you are, you will be able to find one that is super flattering. Now, I'm going to challenge you, if you already have one, to take a peek and try maybe a different texture or a different color that you would never have considered before, and really add something fresh to your closet. One of the trickiest things to do is to transition your outfit from work to after work without either doing a complete outfit change or going as is and feeling like you put no effort into it at all, which leads us right into festive trend number 5, which is all about the accessories. So accessory number 1 are shoes. Swap out your pumps or your loafers for a sparkly ballet flat or metallic heel. Tip number 2 is to swap out your handbag. Ditch the work tote and toss your cell, your lipstick, and your wallet into an evening bag. Now, something to consider. Clutches are terrific, and if you can keep tabs on it, great. But so often you're trying to juggle a glass and a small plate, and then suddenly keeping track of your clutch becomes troublesome. So there are 3 evening bags that have a shoulder strap that are incredibly user-friendly in the lookbook. Finally, the accessory you have been waiting for, and that is, I feel like we should wait for a drum roll, bib necklaces. Now, in case you're not familiar with the term, you may call them something else, but they are necklaces that mimic a jeweled collar that can be added to any crew neck sweater or top, and you instantly have a festive blouse. And of course, there is an assortment of them featured in the lookbook. Are you ready for a style challenge? Because listening to the episode is great, but when you put the tips into action, that's where we move the needle and achieve a closet that we love what we have and are excited to get dressed. Take a look at your calendar and all the invitations and the events that you have. Do you need to add something new to your wardrobe? Or do you already have the perfect festive outfit for everywhere you're going to go? Because panic shopping, especially for petites, rarely ends well and is the number 1 cause of a closet packed with clothes and nothing to wear. When you finish planning, hop on over to InsidePetiteStyle.com, tap the voicemail button on the right, and let me know which of the holiday style trends you're most excited to try. And that, my friend, is a wrap. Be sure to follow the show so you never miss out on a Petite Style tip. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in to Inside Petite Style. When you're ready to create a wardrobe that fits your height, flatters your body shape, and makes getting dressed fun and easy, head over to InsidePetiteStyle.com and take my free Petite Style quiz. You'll get personalized tips and strategies made just for your proportion and your height. And hey, you know that girlfriend who's always rolling up her sleeves and hemming her pants? Share this episode with her. She needs to know she's not alone and that there are real solutions. See you next week. Until then, have fun and stay stylish.
This is for my girl.